and you give me a really serious
umva nyine ngo wasikiza kandi usubize nta mikino nzanaho umva ko mukobwa nayo kunahindutse ari hakuno. I want a serious I mean no joke response. Nagisubiza nyine kirimo brag.
No, Joe. When you touched Stefan and you had that reaction, you know.
Nyene kuba namenye. Cyaje ukora kuri Stefan ukambwira ko ugize gutya ibintu wumva bidasanzwe nishaka kubimbwe ni ibiki.
I said that. Your little dinner party plot totally went.
Mbabarire.
No, Bonnie, seriously.
Cyaje dusangira byararangiye twariyunzanye na Stefan. Stefan ntacyo namukubwiraho. Umva.
See something or
Cyaje ukora kuri Stefan nicyo wabonye.
It wasn't clear like a picture.
Ibintu nabonye ntabwo byagaragaraga neza nk'ifoto. Gusa
seeing those same numbers I told you about.
Biriya mibare nakubwiye nabonye ubushize na n'uyu munsi ndacyayibona.
8, 14, 22.
Biriya nsigaye mbona imibare nkabona 8, 14, 22.
When I touched Stefan, it was
umunsi nakoze kuri Stefani.
And it vibrated through me and it
numvishe gutyo bisa nkaho nkubiswe n'umuriro ncabe indani muri jewe. Ntangira ko wapfuye.
And what?
Icyakurikiye.
It was death.
Nabonye urupfu. It was death.
But I imagined death to be.
Natangiye kwimagine ukuntu urupfu rumera. Yangwazo numva umuriro nciyemo ncashuru meza imbe inahamo n'ubukonje numva cyangwa kwibiswe n'urupfu. Hihi. Wihangane nisheri wawe. Kana waza kabwira kuri sheri wake ibyo bumvishe. Uwo mukobwa ngo iwabo bari abaraguze. Ko yagakinze. Inyuma ye hari uwaje.
Scared me. What?
Demon urakora iki hano?
I'm hiding from Carol.
Kimanda kwepa sheri wanje. Demon ruzganiza abakobwa shawo.
Why is that?
None se kukirimira kwepa sheri wawe.
Get a break.
Man.
Talks more than I can listen.
Sheri wanje aravuga amatwa gashyuha bikandenga.
That could be.
Urakoze.
Well, she's.
Demon ruze bwaneza udukobwa. Cyane kubeshya uyu nguyu.
I don't see it going anywhere in the bigger picture.
Man, uyu munsi ko ntakubonye umukobwa wabyinaga bimeze biti.
Caroline does have some really annoying traits, but
Ako Demon hari ukuntu uzukansanga usibye ko nta mukobwa naye Carolina naye hari ukuntu yifata bitari byiza.
I'm sorry if I make you uncomfortable.
Yewe umbabarire niba ntumudattuza nkumva ubangamiwe iyo nkuri impande.
My intention.
Hari ikibazo nagari ngamije.
yes.
Bana ntacyo bitwaye ariko.
You wouldn't put an alternate meaning behind everything you say.
Ariko kukivuza amagambo usa nkaho uba ufite ibindi ugamije kuki uzimiza. Arimo arabaza Demon.
You're right.
Ibyo vuga no kure ndazimiza.
I do have other intentions, but so do you.
Harejya nanjye ari ibintu ngutekerezaho gusa bidasanzwe. Yego.